If your engine is burning oil, the first thing you should check is the PCV valve. This right here is the PCV valve. It's really easy to take apart and it's relatively inexpensive, usually less than $10. The PCV valve works by when the engine is shut down or when there's a drop in intake manifold vacuum, a light spring holds the valve in its open position. The open PCV valve results in maximum crankcase ventilation. When the engine is at idle, high intake manifold vacuum pulls the valve upward, blocking the port to the intake manifold. If the PCV valve is stuck open, oil from the valve cover will be fed continually into the air intake. Then oil will be burnt inside the engine, causing blue smoke. A stuck closed PCV valve results in excessive crankcase pressure. This pressure causes oil to leak past the seals and gaskets and thus makes your engine burn oil. To test the PCV valve, you can remove it and shake it, and if it rattles when it shakes, it should be good. Another thing you can do is spray it with brake cleaner and see if that fixes it, because there's a lot of buildup on it and it could just need to be cleaned. If this doesn't fix your issue, you may have an engine oil leak somewhere, or your piston rings are either stuck, worn, or broken. If this happens, you will have to have an engine rebuild in order to fix that issue. I hope this quick video helped. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.